Hey guys, Roblox Boy here, and today I'm gonna do if my boat survive. Um, well, no, if my boat like sinks or like turns over, my video will end. So this is I made in these in 5 minutes. I made this in 5 minutes. I made a house, but try to make it as a boat. If I just destroy the piece. I just destroyed a piece. I need to put this back on real quick. Let me just re-put it. Oh my god, why is it taking me so long to try to put this one piece on? But who cares? It's just a boat. Even though I don't want to sink her then video in. But yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna just start. Okay. If it sinks, my video will end. Well, there it is.